gonna be watching Bridgerton. It's season 4, part 1. They released 4 episodes earlier today, and so I'm gonna try and watch 2 now, and then another 2 later. And yeah, that will be all the episodes are released. Some variation of that you'll see. Right. So last time we had Colin being a thing. This season it's what's her name? Benedict's time. Lewis is still on the market. Francesca got married last season also. And yeah, so I think that's all we need to move on forward. I don't remember the name of the actress who's gonna play the Benedict's love interest, but yeah. Okay, so well, that come out in the wash. So synopsis is it's a Cinderella story as a lady's maid and a Bridgerton bachelor fall for each other against all odds. Can their love survive the class divide? Yeah, so basically Cinderella story. We'll see. Let's get into it.
What is life without a little gossip?
Right, that was helpful because now we see I remember now and call it I'm sorry, Benedict had this little threesome thing going on, and Violet that's her name, right? Yeah. She found Lady Danbury's brother. Yeah. That was not I forgot about it. Oh, Cressida. Yeah. Wow. A lot.
Our Princess Hyacinth has risen.
I noticed a boot print in the entry hall.
Oh, damn. Rough. Strict. I get it.
They're here.
Okay, so I guess we're getting... Oh, with this we're getting to see behind the scenes of how like the house works. Ah, cool.
Oh, Lord Featherington, we do not want anyone spilling tea on the heir to our great name.
There are not nearly enough people in Scotland, Pen. I had to take to talking to sheep.
Damn.
I, for one, am glad the Viscountess had her baby in India.
Mrs. Wilson.
You certainly needed more boys. It's getting rather girlish around here with Gregory off at Eton.
It's so interesting to hear the staff talk about them. All right.
It would be perfect if... Where is Benedict? Please fetch my carriage.
Of course.
Up to no good?
Unfortunately, the room is in a state of disarray, Ma'am. Perhaps we should send a maid in first.
I assure you I have often witnessed Benedict's disarray.
Move!
I don't think you're used to this. Oh, wow.
On second thoughts, do fetch a maid.
Benedict Bridgerton! Oh, my word!
Where is your chaperone, young lady?
Mother, how are you here? Please do not.
Oh, that is so bright.
Dear God.
A rake. What a rake he is.
A letter from the solicitor asking if you should like to continue the family's investment in copper. I remember the Viscount was quite insistent it was a wise investment.
Very well, then.
Okay.
I apologise.
For what? For constantly missing family events or turning up late? Usually smelling of liquor, for taking advantage of my forgiving nature, or for debauching yourself so much so this summer that you... What happens if one of these mistresses gets with child?
They're not my mistresses. They're simply acquaintances. Careful.
Oh, the fact that you find this a laughing matter, which requires you to be a gentleman and not a...
You know, yeah, what you are.
a rake.
Language, mother. They display no true animation, no zest for life, no personality. So I'm being true to myself. Is not that the point? Should not that be enough for you?
No.
No, absolutely not. You simply have not my...
Thought so.
Hosting the first ball. So, please, do not humiliate me.
Wait, isn't the first ball usually Lady Danbury? Huh, that's weird. What's up with that? And speaking of Lady Danbury, here she is. With the Queen.
Why is Lady Bridgerton hosting the first ball instead of you?
Good question. Good question. Thank you.
Lady Whistledown, Your Majesty.
Ah. Right, I forgot this. Penelope is now known as Lady Bridgerton. Sorry, Lady Whistledown.
Mrs. Bridgerton, you are late.
You have only just sent for me, Your Majesty.
Late!
Tomorrow night the social season shall begin, but things might look a little different this...
No. You must begin how it begins.
Dearest.
The proper way.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Here we go.
Dearest gentle reader.
Dearest gentle reader.
Here we go.
Lord Harley has a weekly rendezvous with Lady Luton.
Oh, the Queen will relish that.
If I print it, Lady Luton's daughters will be ruined.
It's gonna be trickier for her to decide how to print now, isn't it? I imagine so.
Behind the cover of a mask, we are free to be anyone we so choose.
I'm feeling rather powerful tonight.
Right, I forgot about this couple.
For anything can happen.
That is true. We shall see.
You look well. Of course I do. As do you.
Okay, sounds like an intimate relationship.
And much merriment can be had in a rather short time.
That is true. Very true. Jumping from kissing to bake cooking. Alright.
Will they stay masked all evening? Until the clock strikes midnight. Sounds thrilling.
Thrilling for them, chaos for us.
She don't care about that, man. Get to work. Is that our love interest for the season? Assuming it's her. Makes sense.
We can do this. We can do this.
Okay, so she's not at the Bridgerton household. She's from another household. Alright. How's she arriving by carriage though? Huh. Good luck. You got this.
Instead of your chaperone.
Oh, no. Thank you.
I think that's... Whoa, whoa, whoa! Watch what?
Glorious.
Who is missing? Benedict.
Okay.
Tire of debutantes.
Oh.
Been so unreliable in the past.
Damn.
Turn our attention this year instead to offering up a leading suitor.
Lord Napier has said he will marry.
He is rather handsome.
But also exceptionally dull, unfortunately.
Okay.
Mr. Fry might be eligible.
If one squints.
Fashionably late.
You were meant to chaperone Eloise.
I have been here.
No, you.
You know, I do not believe that we are serving gin this evening, and yet I can smell it all over you. Your very presence here implies to the tone that you're back in society, speaking with the debutantes.
I've only just...
Debutantes. Now.
Okay, spicy.
Your disguise tonight is superb.
And yet you recognise me immediately. You must not forget about Gregory. Are you quite certain I am not him?
It's supposed to be a joke.
I have absented myself from society since my husband's death. The first and the second.
Oh.
Husbands, that is.
Yeah, I will cut that.
I am so sorry for your losses.
Wow, okay.
He is so handsome.
Do not be shallow. What matters most is his surname. There are rumours of rakish behaviour, but everyone knows reformed rakes make the best husbands.
Is that true? Really? Oh, okay.
The Queen insists on great gossip this year.
Uh,
She will never win, which will outrage her, and your mother...
Your mother will explode and burst into flames at the feet of an outraged monarch. I have made a decision.
okay.
I am on the shelf.
You on the shelf.
What's that mean? Look how happy she is.
Mr. Bridgerton. Oh, Mr. Bridgerton. Mr.
Okay. Oh, okay. The chandelier.
Love to, but I have misplaced my dance card.
Forgive me for interrupting. I have just found this young lady's dance card. But unfortunately, my name is next.
That is true.
Okay. Damn. Sucks for you, Mr. Napier. Take his hand.
Oh, I'm not looking for a husband.
You are not?
No.
She's just here to have fun.
Cannot dance.
Cause she's never
A
learned.
lady who cannot dance.
DJ got so in love.
Is this a part of the character you're playing tonight?
You have seen through me.
Surely there's a maid nearby.
I shall have to trust you for tonight.
Who is that? Benedict dancing.
He is a fine choice.
Perhaps there are other gentlemen.
We have talked enough.
Yeah, she has decided.
You are mistaken.
Lord Anderson.
They can't do it in public, I guess.
Your
Majesty.
Where is that Bridgerton boy?
Yeah, scram.
There is a reason I handed over the first ball of the season. I am considering playing less of a part in society. Enjoyed it deeply.
But?
And your friendship, it has been the honor of my life. I have not been there since I was 4 years old. Should like to leave.
Ooh. She's gonna say no.
No.
Yep. Thought so.
It is a spectacular night.
You're not like the other young ladies, you know.
What is wrong with the other young ladies?
They are...
Constantly pursuing you.
Yes, they
While
are.
I can imagine that is taxing for you, you must remember that those young ladies have spent their entire lives preparing for the pursuit, all in the hope that you might simply notice them.
Are you not also hoping to be noticed?
Nope.
Feel more comfortable appreciating the details of an event than I do participating.
Really did not know who I am.
Not until now.
Who are you? Where did you grow up?
Here,
Who are your parents?
mother and father. You know, you have managed not to tell me a single thing about yourself. Put all of the attention on others so that no one might see beneath your surface.
Oh, damn. Oh.
Sometimes it is easier to stay in shallow water. Warmer. More pleasant.
Yeah, I can get
I like
that.
warm and pleasant.
Well,
Me too.
in the same waters day after day, even if they are warm and pleasant.
Valid.
Will you not wade out deeper with me?
With you?
Perhaps the reason I stay in shallow water is that I too feel like an imposter.
Damn.
This is your family home.
Even more so here. We bow. You put your hand in mine.
Oh, okay.
You
Okay, I'm feeling it.
You are quite the pretend student.
Oh no, she's a real student.
Oh, forgive me.
Do not worry. Dancing already with your eyes closed.
I'm trying to remember this moment exactly so that if I wish,
Oh,
I can escape here.
However, am I meant to call on you tomorrow?
you can't.
Oh, we should not.
We should not what?
Still a gentleman, even though he's a rake. Oh, okay.
I must go. Bye.
Please, do not leave.
But she must. Oh, the gloves. The glove. Instead of the slipper, it's the glove. All right.
Excuse me. That is Lady Whistledown. Go and make it known that there is a diamond here tonight.
Mrs. Bridgerton, Miss Rosamond Lee, I'm wonderful to meet you all. Hello.
It's been an age since I've seen you.
I must go.
Sorry, Colin. He's chasing a woman. Tough luck.
Well, how was it? Did you enjoy yourself?
Is that her motto?
It was the most extraordinary night of my life.
Sophie Baek.
Sophie. Her name is
You enough?
Sophie. Cool. I didn't remember that.
Have you heard of such a thing as a toga?
I wish you could have seen.
Mr. Bridgerton showed considerable interest in me.
Did he?
No.
Whomever he was talking with tonight, she cannot possibly compete.
Oh! Chill, lady, chill.
You're excused, Sophie.
Went a little too hard there, Sophie. What is she? I don't think she's thinking something suspicious, but I don't think she'd put that together. I don't think so. That is not right now.
I know, Benedict.
Are you saying I do not?
Oh, I'm saying that I would wager that Benedict Bridgerton is the least likely to marry.
And you would wager on that?
I did not mean... yeah.
We have a wager. Yes. How much are you willing to settle on this bet?
Got yourself in trouble, Penelope.
I've decided to be a spinster. Oh, Eloise, that is not...
Okay, that's what she means. Okay. Troublesome, isn't it, Violet? I think I'm pronouncing her name a little wrong.
There
but,
you are.
Yeah.
And now respect what they were all up against. Hundreds of hours of preparation being noticed.
Yep.
You sound as if you have been made a new man. Hyacinth Bridgerton, go to bed this instant.
What harm can it do for me to simply observe? Did Eloise speak with you?
About what, exactly?
Anyone were holding
Run!
Young lady.
that Benedict Bridgerton would take a wife this season, that a small amount of make-believe often has the power to remake reality. The impossible seems possible. One must eventually wake up.
Was her father like some... there's something more to her. Something, yeah. So that was episode 1 of season 4. It was titled The Waltz. Says, despite pressure from the town, Benedict Bridgerton isn't one to settle down until a masked woman at a ball unexpectedly captures his heart. Yeah, basically. So that was a good little introduction back to us. So we had the Bridgertons hosting the first ball now because Lady Danbury wants to, wean herself off and like eventually leave to go back to her homeland, Also, we have um, get introduced to Sophie. Um, Violet is trying to because she says she's going to pay more attention to Eloise and Benedict this season. Benedict is raking it up. Hyacinth is, peeking in, trying to see what's up. George is at school. He's at Eton, so he won't be in this season. Anthony and Kate are away in India, so they're not back yet. She was pregnant, so that the baby there, so that to stay there for a little while to get things up to speed and all that. And what else? Who was there? Colin and Penelope doing their thing. The Queen is weighing pressure on Penelope to make her the first to the scoop and consulting her on like who's most eligible and whatever. And this season it's gonna be Bachelor, who's most eligible Bachelor, and the Queen chooses Benedict, and we're supposed to see the Queen is betting that Benedict will marry, and Penelope is saying, no, Benedict is like the least like the person to marry. So they're betting on that. We get introduced to Lady Penwood. She married, she was first married to Viscount Lee, something like that, and then Earl of Penwood, and she has two daughters from that from those liaisons. They're both now, the husbands are both dead. There was something about Sophie, right? Sophie went to the ball and she Benedict she got interrupted with Benedict and all that. And they were having fun and doing all of this and that. And yeah, so Spark it's back. Most of the chemistry, it's a vibesicle, isn't it? But there was a thing about Sophie. There was something that room, that place, I think maybe there's something else with her, like her family history or something that we are going to discover, I think. Like she's supposed to like this Cinderella story, so it maybe some aspect of it, like, oh, she actually she's like the ugly sister, and then like, but then when the families know, like, maybe they presume she's dead or something. I don't know. There's something there, something. I'm 50% sure. We'll see how that unravels throughout the season. Might bump it up to be more sure, or maybe less sure, and we'll see. Yeah. And so a good little introduction. We back, so we get to see more of like the side from the servant side. Like we got to see their opinions on the family and all of that. We see the workings of the kitchen, and so that's an interesting little twist on what we usually see. And so, and so obviously, Anthony and Kate are now they're now supporting characters for the season. They'll just show up, I'm assuming, in the second half of the season, because Simone, Ashley, and Jonathan Bailey. I'm assuming they are, they have busy schedules and stuff, and they know they're not the leads anymore. But Penelope is Lady Whistledown, so she's now going to be held back a little bit, but she's still gonna be an important character. So she's still going to play a prominent role like she was in the seasons, but it's significantly different because now people know who she is, and so it'll be different to see how that impacts how she is perceived and like people relate to her and all that. So I'm interested to see. And Louise says she doesn't want to do anything, and Violet says, no, I'm focused on you. Francesca, her husband, John, Martin, yeah, that's the name. They're gonna be staying, and so we'll see more of them this season. Anything else? Yeah, Lady and Baron just take a step back. We get introduced to them. Bada bing, more rumors of the from the household side, and I'm assuming we're gonna see we're not gonna see the daughters for the Featheringtons. It's gonna be mainly that maid as well as like Lady Featherington. I think that's who we're gonna be focusing on from that side. Yeah. So. Oh, and Lord Anderson. For Violet and Violet, they have the romance they keep going. Yeah. So interesting. Oh, we didn't see much of Colin. Colin was like a little. It was I'm so happy to see Benedict, and then Benedict's skedaddled, and so that was disappointing for Colin. But yeah. So Benedict was rakish and all that. Yeah. So we shall see you for more. Those are my thoughts for this episode. Goodbye.